duo. So you sent 2 eyeshadows? Why? Hey guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss, and this is Boxy versus Ipsy July 2022 edition. Yes, so we're still doing the summer trends. We're still doing minimal products. We are still doing streamlined skincare, okay? We're doing all these things. Oh, hey, if you're new here, hey, hi, hit subscribe. I'm here for you every week to help give your look a kiss. If you're liking what you're seeing, give me a kiss, give me a like, comment, share, you know, do the whole thing. We'll get a dialogue going and it's gonna be awesome and it's gonna be great, hey. So this month, what I'm looking for, keeping in mind the summer trend 2022 of streamlined skincare, streamlined makeup, minimal effort, maximum results, I am going to look for a look, a full summer look from each of our subscription boxes. Each of these boxes is in the $30 monthly category, and I have the links down below so you too can become a Boxy Charm subscriber or an Ipsy Glam Bag subscriber. So this is the base box from Boxy Charm and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Yes, so let's start with Boxy this month. Clean, fresh, ready to go. This side, we're gonna do Boxy. This side, we're doing Ipsy. Let me try to keep that straight for you guys. Okay, right off the bat, I love this card. These pink palm trees are just, this is adorable. I love it with the teal. I love everything about this card, and I need to find some way to make this happen in my home. Yeah, immediately. This month's theme is Status 000. I don't know what that means, but it sounds like all the cool kids are doing it, so I'm in. First products out of the box, we have the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, and it is meant to condition and restore. I love it, cute packaging, cute color, love the periwinkle. Okay, and this is enriched with milk proteins, jojoba, and coconut. Not coconut, excuse me. I'm looking right at it and said coconut when it clearly says avocado, jojoba, and avocado oils. So, great, we're gonna deeply hydrate, condition, and soothe the skin. Oh yeah, that's some goat milk. It's not like pungent, it's not like gamey like when you first try goat milk, but you know what I mean? It's definitely a goat product. And very more like viscous liquid creamy, which I don't mind. I feel like it's gonna spread nicely. So we're gonna start with a small amount because I only need the one side of my face today. Boop, 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 boop. And we're gonna do this in little circular motions. We're gonna get it on here. I like the feel of it. It's light, while it does feel like a very nourishing product. Like it does have a little bit of weight to it, but it's still a lighter product, not like a heavy cream. You know what I mean? So that's cool. One step towards a look. What are we gonna follow that with? How about Stack the Odds by Aluk MultiUse Face Stacker, 3 cream shades to play. Highlight, blush, and contour. Mercy. Oh my God, it's a transformer. This is cool. This is cool, I like it. All right, so I'm gonna say that's our blush. It's probably our highlight, and that's probably our contour. Let's try to make a look of this. Maybe we'll do a little highlight. Maybe we'll do that right here. Yeah. Like a powder might be good before this, but this is fine. This is fine. I could see using this during the summer, like without a foundation, just like with my moisturizer and sunscreen. Okay, looking like a look. Why not? We'll throw a little highlight up here. What else? Of course, every Boxy Face Charm box does come with a full-size palette. This month they sent Sahara Nights by Eloise. Very shimmery palettes. Definitely very deserty. Let's see, what are we gonna go with? How about, we've got Ibiza, City Lights, Cocktail Hour, Miami, Disco, and Las Vegas. Oh, we're going to Vegas. All right, cool, cool. I'm doing everything with my fingers today because I need to wash my brushes. Why not? What's Ibiza like? I've never been. Ibiza and Vegas. I could see using Vegas pretty often, but the rest of the palette, I don't know. I don't know if I'd reach for it. I like Ibiza. So, cool. All right. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting to a full look here. We'll throw some city lights. Everything is very gold, which makes sense because it's very deserty, and that's, I don't wear gold. Okay, maybe. It is part of the look though, so we're meeting the challenge. What is this? The Beauty Crop sent us Cinnamon and Fudge Liquid Eyeshadow Duo. So you sent 2 eyeshadows? Why isn't this a lip? Can I use it as a lip? I don't know. Ugh, they don't want me to get into it either. There was plastic around this too, and I was just like, ah. I already don't like this product because it was too hard to get into. Yeah, Cinnamon and Fudge. I'm never gonna wear these. It's not gonna happen. I feel like the double eye in this box is a little overkill. Eyeshadow palette was enough for me, so I'm just, yeah, I don't know about that. And last up in BOXYCHARM, we have Beauty For Certain. For Certain. This is Whole Lotta Mascara. Get it on me. Ooh. That's a smooth mascara, and it like instantly lengthens. All right, so overall, of all 5 products included in the BOXYCHARM box, I have kind of like most of a look going. We've got blush, we've got highlight, we've got contour, mascara, we got eyes, and we have skin. What we don't have is a lip or a hair product. And I would have liked to see one of those just to finish off the look. But this many steps with some chapstick in the summer, fine, that's a look. All right, Ipsy, you're up. Let's talk about it. This is probably my least favorite bag that they've sent. The color, the design, the texture is like that denim ribbing, but it's like not denim. I like the teal bit, but this is just not the bag for me. Oh! There was more in the shipping bag. We have the Soleil Let Your Hair Shine Mini Heat Brush in Apricot. They sent a hair product. Yes. Love the little bag. Let's heat this bad boy up. One button, just a little on and off switch here. I really like the size of it. I feel like this is something not only, whoops, stay there, not only great for travel, but this could be a good size beard brush. Or let's face it, I have 5 hairs on my head and this is gonna be a good thing for me. You know what? We're gonna let this heat up and I'm gonna come back to it because I feel like it might take a moment. We're gonna go into the rest of the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus July package. Okay, what's in the bag? Brushes. Maybe I should have started here. Literally, I'm in love. I'm in love. I am absolutely in love. They're pink. They're pink. Enough said. Not only are they pink, we have a flamingo. And if you don't know this about me, the flamingo is very much my spirit animal. So this product was meant for me. And these are by Shayna B Miami. And they're awesome. 5 brushes. Feeling a whole lot like natural hair, which means the deposit on these is gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be even, it's gonna blend well. Nothing against acrylic brushes, I have a ton of them. But you know, if you can have natural, this is the preference. And it includes a large setting brush. Well, this is like a medium-sized little setting brush. Let's see, what are you? An all-over shadow brush. We've got a fluffy, flatter brush. Here is our tapered blending. Not as tapered as most blending brushes are, but it's still really soft and really cute. And our tiny guys, we have our precision blending, adorable, and our pencil brush. This is a great pencil brush. The tapering on this is great. It's like got great stiffness right at that apex. So this is gonna give you those awesome lines and that great smudging technique. This is amazing, and I will be using these not only all summer long, but these may just become my regular brushes because they're just so darn cute. Okay, what's next in the bag? You are Murad, and we love Murad, amazing skincare company. Acne Control, Oil and Pore Control Mattifying Broad Spectrum 45. So this is our pore reducing, I guess we're gonna use, this is our moisturizer on this side. It's our oil-free, lightweight moisturizer. Let's go, we love it, SPF, important. And of course, always love the Murad packaging. It's clean, it's simple, it's to the point. Great, thick, creamy consistency. I feel like I don't need a ton of this, looking at it. Because it is just, it's that sunscreen consistency, you know? Let's do it. And onto the skull. I like it. It sits like a lightweight sunscreen. I'm interested to see what the... I'm not... Don't look at my acne. I'm still suffering. I'm feeling pretty good about this. I don't know. Are my pores minimizing? I hope so. It's alright. There's a step towards a look. Next in the bag. This is just cool feeling packaging. It's like rubberized cardboard. This is 2 A's. So we're gonna go Avrony Holistic Skincare Rituals. Whatever, it's gorgeous packaging. It's a toning polish to minimize the, oh, I should have put this on before. Yeah, I should have used this before the Murad. Because this would have been, yeah, this would have cleared my protective oils. Well, fancy that. We're gonna play with it anyways. Look at that bottle, it's beautiful. This is gorgeous. Pore shrinking, balancing, calming. Where can I try this? About my neck. That's thick. For a toner? Oh yeah, oil-based toner. Check it out, let's go. Oh, I like the feel, I like the smell. You can definitely feel that, the tea tree. It's pretty calming. It was a little redder when we got going. Love this. I like this product. I could definitely see using this morning and night. Restoring serum, thank you. tea tree oil, chamomile flower, cucumber extract. Dig, dig, dig. Last up in the box, we have another product from Complex Culture, and they sent us the Good Glow Blush Duo. Oh, cute. And they included a little card for subtle glow or total glow. Well, it's a good thing they sent brushes. I mean, that's not a blush brush, but you know what? We'll just use our fingers. But without like foundation or concealer or anything on, like this more delicate shade is looking pretty nice and natural on me. Dig that. Let's check out the High Glow. Ooh. Yeah, that one packs a little more pow. Yeah, I like this. I feel like because of its consistency though, being, you know, this more delicate powder, it would definitely work better with a foundation concealer situation, have something to blend it a little bit into. But all right. Ipsy, we are nowhere near a full look. Amazing products and things I needed to do the boxy, but not a full look. However, you did deliver a hair care product. So now that she's been heating up, let's check her out. And I tell you what, she's been sitting here getting hot, and the plastic itself back here is hot, and I know it says high temp caution, but the back, that feels a little dangerous to me, just for safety reasons. I wonder how long I could keep this on before the plastic itself started melting. Whatever, nobody really cares about that. Let's just see if it smooths my hair, right? Let's get... Is it working? Is it doing anything? Not really. I mean, kinda, yeah. Okay. Maybe if I had a heavier prep product in it. All I really have in my hair right now is a little bit of humidity resistance and roots. Okay, yeah. I feel like I would use this more as like a beard brush, or just to like maybe tame my bed head from the day before, since I don't necessarily style my hair every day. Can I go this way with it? Okay, it's a functioning hot tool. It's doing that. Yeah, this is probably more of a beard brush for me. Short hair, just quick, back. Given the amount of steam coming off of it though, and the lack of, I'm not seeing a lot of thermal protection on this. Maybe there is, maybe there are, I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know. I'm gonna play with this. I'm gonna try it in a beard, probably my husband's. But I do appreciate that they had a hair product option this month. So I'm gonna give it to BOXYCHARM for July for delivering more of a look, as per the challenge, than Ipsy did this month. I think we're gonna see a return of this brush in a future styling video. Yeah, perhaps a short hair styling video. I don't know, comment down below. Let me know if that's what you'd like to see. Good job, Boxy. You done it this month. So thank you guys so much for joining me while we checked out, we unboxed, we unbagged Boxy and Ipsy for July 2022. You can follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, Give Your Hair a Kiss. Check me out at giveyourhairakiss.com. While you're there and happen to find yourself in the New York City area, you can book a hair appointment with me, Kiss, here in the kissing booth. We'll have an awesome time. But until next week, guys, give your hair a kiss.